people. I hope you're good. I am great. My name is Siamomi Ganyani and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you will stay. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for constantly coming back. I truly appreciate it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe. It is another day, another vlog, and I am sad because I am counting down to my last days of leave, maternity leave. Man. I'm sorry I'm in the bathroom. I'm starting this vlog in the bathroom, which is quite weird. But the reason why I'm starting the vlog in the bathroom is because I am getting ready to go to the theater because I'm going to see my little sister perform on her first theater production. Oh, guys. Oh, the deputy parent in me is so emotional. Like, I cannot wait. I'm excited. I'm looking forward to it. So that's why I'm in the bathroom, because I want to get ready. I kind of want to put on some makeup, but also I don't. I'm so conflicted. It's literally my first time going out alone. I told myself I was going to get ready at 4. It is like 4:15. So, because I want to leave here at 5:30, because the show starts at 7, but it's a Friday, so I'm anticipating traffic, and the show is in Bram. It's taking place at the Wits Theatre Complex, or whatever it's called. So I don't want to be late. I also want to stop by and buy her some flowers, a chocolate or something. Just something to say congrats. Hey, so. Yo guys, not me thinking that I am recording. I didn't realize that my mic was off, so the whole time I'm busy talking, but there's no sound at all. But anyway, this is the final look. Nothing hectic, very simple. Yeah, I didn't want to do too much. So I have a pair of jeans. I haven't worn jeans in such a long time. It had been so long since I've worn jeans. That's me showing you my mokaba. Well, that's my baby. That was me showing you my mokaba. This was like, I think, just over 3 months after I've given birth. So I think we're getting there. So quickly, trench coat, Pick and Pay clothing, the top, Pick and Pay clothing, the belt, Shein, jeans, I forgot where I got them, earrings, Mr. Price, and yeah, makeup, very simple, natural, not doing too much, and that's the final look.
By choice.
Wow. Hello. Reporting live from the bathroom again. Excuse the echo because I'm in the bathroom, like I said. Anyway, the last time I spoke to you guys was on Friday. Today is Sunday night. A lot has happened during the weekend, and I was supposed to take you along with me throughout the weekend, but I haven't been out in the longest time. So this weekend was actually the first weekend that, I was able to go out and like just do things and just like feel like I've gone back to my old life. Even though there's no such thing as going back to your old life, because once you become a mom, your life changes. Yes, you can go back and do the things that you used to do, but not like fully, you know, you know. But anyway, it was the first time going out after such a long time of just being indoors and all of that. So that was very nice. Sunday, which is today, it was Mother's Day. Oh my gosh. It was Mother's Day, or it is Mother's Day today. And it's my first Mother's Day ever. Ever. So emotional. So my husband basically just treated me. He took me out to like late lunch slash dinner to our favorite restaurant. We had good food. We were able to like talk and catch up with the baby. This was the first time that we were actually able to go out with the baby. And we had like late lunch dinner there. And yeah, like he got me flowers, he got me a nice gift. So it was very sweet. It was very sweet, special. So I'm very grateful, very, very grateful. I did not get any clip or anything from today. I just wanted to be in the moment. I just wanted to savor the moment and just like take it all in. And also, it was just a lot. It was just a lot. Like going out to a restaurant on a busy day with the baby is a lot. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, be part of the family. I am gonna call it a night. And yeah, good night. I don't want to say a lot. Yeah, I am ready for bed. I am happy. My heart is full. I'm grateful. God has been so good. Yeah, God has been so good, guys. There's so much to thank God for. So much. And I'm so grateful. But yeah, anyway, good night. I hope you are good. I hope that, you are also okay. And if you are a new mommy, first time mommy like me, I hope that you had a great Mother's Day. I know that you're not going to watch this on Mother's Day, but when you do watch it and look back, I hope that you did have a great first time Mother's Day. It really is a special thing, even if you didn't do anything, even if no one bought you anything, but by virtue of you being first time mom and it being Mother's Day, it's a beautiful feeling. So I hope that you got to embrace it for what it is. And you know what, sometimes guys, things, it doesn't have to be lavish and flashy and big things. Sometimes it's just the little things that matter.